Alright guys, we have everything we need. We have the... I do not remember the ingredients because I went shopping yesterday. We have the linguine, the large eggs, bacon, half and half. You will need a... hang on. You'll need a 3/4 cup and a 1/2 cup, some shredded Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper. You're going to need a pan and a large pot of water. And, you know, the first step to making any kind of pasta. There you go. Gotta make sure the water is starting to boil. You know, that's how making pasta works. Alright, so the first step, the first real step anyway, to making our linguine is put the pasta in the pot.
Boil water first, right?
Oh, it's good. Yeah, the water's boiling.
The water can't be boiling that fast.
Oh no, I mean I said it on the... Huh?
Wait till the bubbles and boils.
Okay, skip to step... Ugh, my voice cracked. Did you hear that?
You can't put cold pasta into a pot. You have to have the water actively boiling and then you put the pasta in.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now that Mom debunked that, okay, first step for real this time, put 8 cooked bacon. Make the bacon. Make the bacon. Every American should know how to do this. We're American. That was a stereotype I am so proud to be part of. Hang on. That's a lot of meat. Hang on. I'm gonna get 8 strips. 1, 2. Does that sound like a lot? Here, skip 8. I'm gonna do 5. Since my first time cooking bacon in a long time. Oh, I thought I ripped it, but I didn't. All ready for the greatest part of being American? You ready? Ooh, I had to grab this at a really weird angle. Ooh, look at that. Look at that bacon. Alright guys, the step says, meanwhile, you can't read that. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, whisk together eggs, Parmesan, and half a half. Set aside. Hang on. Alright, so this is what we needed these for. You need 3 eggs, a 3/4 cup or half cup, a half cup of half and half, which I'm kind of curious to see. Apparently it's like a cream. I figured it out, that was the seal. Alright, let's get this half cup of half and half. Hey Dad. Extremely careful. I don't know if you can see it, my hand is shaking so hard. Half cup of half and half, 3 large eggs. I'm trying to do this all one-handed. You saw my camera already. Whew. 3 half and half, 3 eggs. Ooh. Nice. Nice. And then I will need 2 hands for this, so you're gonna get put down for a minute. Not that kind of way. Let me just yoink. I should just keep the camera like that. We don't need the half and half anymore. We don't need any of the stuff we use once anymore, I believe. And then 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. And we gotta mix it all together. Close enough. Alright, so once you have all of that done, you put it up your Parmesan cheese, unless you want to put more on your spaghetti. First thing I do that. But then you're gonna want to whisk it all together. Okay, let me check on this bacon real quick. So you're gonna want to get your whisker if you don't have one, and whisk. If you don't have one, a fork or a beater, some else will work just fine. Go ahead and take you over to my stove. My mom's stove. I'm just borrowing it. Thanks for buying me stuff for this, Mom. It is starting to boil. I'm not sure if you can see it. The bacon looks like it's starting to get done, but I haven't made bacon since like the dawn of time. Once again, once your water is boiling, which mine is just about there. Yeah, you can see that smoke. It's just about there. Probably gonna move my camera over here. Yeah, it's starting to boil. Hang on. Alright, that water's starting to boil real nice. So what you're gonna want to do, hang on. Let me do this that way I can see myself doing this for you guys. Hang on. Sorry if my light's in the way. So you're gonna want to take about half, not the whole thing. Hang on, one of them broke. Let me just. Boop. So what you're gonna want to do is take about half of the pasta. This could go really bad or it could go really well. I made it go well because I'm legendary. Boom. That's what half of a pasta box looks like. So you're gonna want to take about half. I did not break that. It broke and it's on its own. And just throw this puppy in there and let it cook until it's quote-unquote al dente, which means a little soft, but like not to the point where it can't be chewed. A little hard, but not to the point where, you know. I mean, hard to the point, but to the point where it can still be chewed, and soft, but not like too soft. You know, that's just what that means. All right, now we're gonna let that sit. Let me check on the bacon here. I haven't chewed against the bacon in a minute. Just so you know, these take multiple days to edit and record. So if it's a little rushed, I'm sorry. If it feels a little rushed, That's it, let me get that other side. You don't want to burn the bacon, because if you burn the bacon, that's like all of the meat. Hang on. Ready? Just gonna flip all of these. Just so you know, you don't have to heat up the eggs or anything, because when you mix it all together, the heat from the pasta will heat up the eggs for you. So whenever you do it, you gotta do it like really fast. So I would suggest having a spaghetti strainer on hand. And if you do not, then God bless. Alright, so while that's heating up, I'm going to go back to whisking my eggs because they can be a little more done, so I will talk to you when I'm doing that.
Okay.
Alright, so the pasta is done, like the actual noodles in the pasta. We kind of took a little longer than I thought. And we got to put it in the strainer. Thank you for recording this, Mom.
You're welcome.
Ooh, a little bit longer on my foot. Oh, it's really, whew. Steam. Whew.
Put that back on the stove, please.
Alright, so once your pasta is strained, you're going to want to do this incredibly quickly because the heat from the pasta is what's going to cook the eggs. So if you do not do this quickly, you kind of play yourself. So once all the pasta's in, I believe I can stir it up.
Stir it up.
Stir it up. You want to make sure that every bit of pasta gets a little bit, and that's that way it's soaked. You know, like just cook the sausage. Because I hope this is gonna be good.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Bacon.
Oh yeah, and now that your bacon is all cut up, you can go ahead and throw that in the mix. There's just a party in here. That was so lame. I feel like, oh my goodness, I feel terrible for making that joke. Just want to keep stirring, and once you think it's stirred good enough, you're going to serve it immediately. So make sure you have a bowl and a fork standing by, because I really think this is going to be good. And, well, I have to taste test it on camera, because I've never had this before. I already cut it.
Okay.
Alright, so Mom is going to be the first to try the spaghetti carbonara.
First meal Buddy has made
I've made you eggs.
from scratch. Meal. Eggs is not a meal.
It's breakfast.
Alrighty, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, I only put 6 ounces of rat poison.
Perfecto.
I'm not letting you be in any of these videos ever again. Ever again, Mom. Wait, on a scale 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
It's good. No, it's good. 7.5.
Keep. Okay. Alright. Okay.
You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright, go, Dad.
What do you think?
It's wonderful, Marvin.
Now, Buddy's
You two are so fake.
No,
You two are so fake.
that wasn't bad. You don't eat that much food. That wasn't bad.
That's a compliment.
I guess. Dad doesn't really eat our food that much.
I can't believe you tried it, actually.
You guys are...
I would have made it, he would not have even.
You guys are so fake, though. I hope you know. You guys are so fake. Alright, guys, so the spaghetti carbonara is done. It looks pretty good. I haven't ever tried it. I'm kind of excited, but I'm scared that I messed up. So... kind of reminds me of mac and cheese. Is that just me? Yeah, I guess I'll try some with a little bacon on it. Pretty good though. I like it.
Huh?
That's my bad, B.
Have you never eaten pasta before?
No.
It ain't that bad, though.
Mm-hmm.
Let me introduce you
No. No.
to the pasta trail. No.
Got put in the phone, throw it around the phone.
Here, then you eat. Take a bite.
No. Leave me alone.
You pretend all over again. Act like a real person.
Come on. Me. I don't know, none of that's gonna cut out now. Hang on, wait, let me get some. Pretty good. I like it. Alright, I guess that's going to conclude this episode of Chef KG's Cooking Class. If you enjoyed, make sure you like the video. Share it to all your friends who want to try some good food. Oh no! My mom set it down so that way there's sauce on the fork. And subscribe to Warrior Gaming for fun content like this and mostly gaming videos, but I mean, you don't have to. I mean, I'd like it if you did. Y'all would, but... guess that's gonna end the video. Mom, I'm gonna give you one more chance. Mom,
Yes.
I'm giving you one more chance.
Alright.
Would you like to say anything? Don't be lame.
Anything?
Don't be lame.
That's all I got.
You're so lame. You're so lame. Mom. You made everyone cringe. Everyone.
Happens.
Alright, I love you guys, my homies, and I'll see you in the next one.